To create your own chat automated chat flow, you can customize and create your own chat flow from chat flow from in chat flow. Here you can so there are three things. First is a block. Block is used to make a user jump from one conversation to another. These are the elements that you can incorporate in your chat, and this is where you design your chat. So first I'll create a new block as a testing purpose. Testing. I put a keyword as probably test, and then here I can incorporate features like is text as hi, how can I help you, and I save it. And when I say hi on the bot, along with this, you can also block and unblock the particular user. So if I want to block this user, I can just click on block. It goes to the blocked list. And when you want to unblock the user, you can go to settings, app settings, and there you can see blocked audience, and here you can unblock it. So coming to the chat flow, so yeah, so when I write test on my chat, I receive a message something like this, which has been created on the chat flow. With this, you can also incorporate image in the flow, such as instead of text, you can add your image and upload it here. Along with this, you can transfer the chat. Transfer the chat is basically where you want the chat to go to an offline mode. For example, after a certain message, it should go on an offline mode. So this is for testing purpose. And I save this. And when I write test, I'll receive a message and my chat will turn to a human mode. So it has turned to a human mode. Also with this, you can also have elements such as video, audio, documents. In documents, you can upload PDFs, Word documents, API integrations if you want to fetch information from your system. There's a concept of list where you can create your own list for interactive buttons. List, and here is please select from the options below, and here also services, and here you can add your services as request callback or service documents, services, service brochure. And when you save this, you can create 10 rows like this, and you can save this. So when you type rest test on this kind of interactive button come with a list feature as services, and these are the services that come. So whatever I select, it goes, and it is in reference to the previous message that have come. Also with this you can incorporate quick reply, which is a button in which you can have buttons like select our services, and here you can have word as services, and call back. And third is probably you can only have 3 buttons, with every button 20 characters limit, and um, download brochure. So now when you say test on the bot, there are 3 buttons that come, and this work accordingly. Now if I want to make the person jump from one conversation to another, I can open this as a add user input, and I can make the person join from one block. If the value is anything, I can make the person jump to any other block, and that the block gets executed. Along with this, if I want the person to join to welcome message, so I can add a keyword here which is services. I can add a keyword as services, and I save this. And when I click on services here, that gets executed like this. This was the flow for services, and so the flow gets executed according to the keyword. Along with this, you can have W templates. These are templates that have been pre-approved by WhatsApp in your chart flow. And alerts are basically alerts that goes to the business about a qualified lead on their particular WhatsApp number. So this is how you can design your own chart flow, it incorporating elements into it and making the user jump from one block to another.